In all walks of life, success is built on solid foundations. You rarely get ahead without doing the groundwork first. This is true in work, in business, in relationships, in sport, in everything. It's also true in investment. If you want to be a really successful investor, it's vital to understand the fundamentals first, to get a solid feel for how the real estate investments work in concept and in reality. But all too often, this education is something that people don't make the time for. They want to jump straight in and start focusing on one specific strategy without looking at the big picture, without grasping the key concepts, without understanding the risks, without truly knowing how the numbers work, and without having a clear plan. This is not a reliable recipe for success. So if you want to give yourself the best chance of winning, do things differently. Take the time to learn fundamentals, and you can make better, more successful decisions. Does that sound like a sensible plan? If it does, visit my website now to find out how I can help you.